Hi guys, I'm Ashmit Patel and I'm super excited to introduce you guys to what I think is one of the best apps in the fitness segment. It's called Make Your Dream Body Elite. What this app does is it customizes a workout and a diet plan specifically for you and sends it straight to your mobile. In today's day and age, I think it's very hard to find a reasonable yet good trainer, and probably not the best idea given the situation we're in anyways. So guys, the process of body transformation and nutrition can be a little complicated. But MYDB Elite simplifies it and sends it to you in a very executable plan. Every set, every rep, every meal is planned specifically for you. Also, if you're a beginner or an advanced pro, it will make your fitness journey exciting, fast, and most importantly, injury-free. It will show you the right technique and right form for every exercise. Guys, go and get this app right now. Get in touch with Make Your Dream Body and they will send you a download link for the application. And if you're lucky like me, you might just get it for free as well. With MYDB Elite, you don't just get an amazing app, but you get a 24/7 coach who is dedicated to your fitness journey to make you the healthiest and the best version of yourself. Guys, don't waste any more time. Go out there, get the app, and make your dream body right away. Take care, guys. Lots of love from me, Ashmit Patel. Stay fit, stay healthy.